So this is an easy, elegant updo. So you're going to take the hair, band the crown area and just pin that into place. And then I'm just kind of teasing those sections up just to soften it. And then going to take a section of hair and keeping it nice and smooth, just bring it across, put a hair grip in and then just push that in towards the head like that. So I've kept it kind of flat. Doing the same on the other side, taking a section, sweeping it across and then just pushing it in. And we're going to keep doing this all the way down. So use your wax spray, use a shine spray, anything to sort of keep those flyaways down. We want this style to be kind of elegant and smooth. And I'm just crossing over from right to left all the way down until we get to the nape of the neck. And you're just going to continue pinning these strands into place, really pushing. I use like long hair grips for this, so the 2.5 inch or 6.5 centimetre. And I'm just smoothing out the bottom of that bun, putting in a hair accessory. Super cute.